Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize sales strategies with Macy's, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding the sales strategies at Macy's is crucial for any retail business looking to enhance its performance. Begin by analyzing Macy's unique market position. Research customer demographics and preferences. Identify key factors that contribute to Macy's successful brand image. Evaluate Macy's pricing strategies and promotional tactics. Examine seasonal sales events and their impact on overall sales performance. Consider the role of online shopping in Macy's sales framework. Incorporate Macy's effective use of loyalty programs to encourage repeat purchases. Study their collaboration with popular brands and exclusive collections. Utilize data analytics to track customer behavior and purchasing patterns. Implement personalized marketing approaches similar to those used by Macy's. Leverage social media to connect with customers and promote offers. Focus on enhancing customer experience both online and in physical stores. Monitor competitors and stay informed on the latest retail trends. Continuously gather feedback from customers to improve services. Adjust your strategies based on performance data and market changes. Develop a flexible approach that allows for quick adaptation in a dynamic market. Keep refining your sales tactics to maximize efficiency and effectiveness. Consider the importance of employee training and engagement in driving sales. Establish clear metrics to measure the success of your optimized strategies. Use these insights to create a comprehensive plan tailored to your business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.